For a lot of fire damage restoration processes or jobs that we get, most property owners or homeowners can't stay in their property during the process. The caveat to that would be, was it pretty contained? So if you maybe had like a little bit of an outlet fire in the basement and it damaged some drywall, but it didn't really spread and the smoke didn't spread throughout the house, yeah, then maybe you can stay in your house. But if you've got a kitchen fire or garage fire or something like that that put a lot of smoke and soot into your property, you're not even gonna wanna stay in there, because the health hazards that come with the smoke and soot inhalation constantly aren't acceptable. We will have equipment running in there to help start to eliminate that stuff, but it's probably not going to be safe or the best idea for you to be staying in, essentially, for lack of a better term, like a bonfire atmosphere where you're constantly breathing in that smoke and the smells of all the burning things. Additionally, you don't know what all the materials are made of in your home, so there could be plastic things that you bought that got melted and that put plastic particles and contaminants in the air that you don't want to really be exposed to those. So usually people do not stay in their properties unless it's a very contained fire.